Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to explain how to create a server level credential when we are going to use service principal authentication type. Okay. Now to start with, first we need to create a app registration. Then we will provide access to storage account for that app registration. Okay. Now let me come here. So this is my these are my app registration. Okay. So let me delete the existing things, or we can create a new app registration. Okay. Now let's create a new app registration. So first come to the home page. I want to start from start. Okay. Now in the home page, we have the services. Okay. One service called app registration. Okay. In this, we need to click on new registration. Now we need to provide the app name, storage. Okay. Credential. Now let's click on register. Here we have the option, but these are optional. Okay. Now simply we came to storage credential, we created. Okay. Now here we can see we have a application ID URL. Okay. And we have a certificate and secret here. So now we don't have any secret. Let's click on secret, give credential, expiry, let's go with 180 days. Okay, so first we created a one app in app registration. Okay, now what we have to do, we need to provide access to this app called storage credential. Okay, now come to the storage account. Okay, access control IAM. In this, click on add role assignment. Now let's select any role, storage blob data owner. Next, here we can see we have a three option: user, group, or service principal. So in this, we want to provide access to this service principal. Click on select member. Now in the member, we need to search for the service principal, or can say application name. So let's search this app name. Sorry. Now we can see we got the application here. Okay, called storage credential that we created. Select. Now select this. So we can see the member got selected. Okay, now we just need to click on review plus assign. Then we will be able to create, we will be able to provide access to this app registration, or can say to this application called storage credential. Okay, now I'm just creating this. Sorry, I'm just providing the access. Now after this, what we have, so it got the access. Okay, now after this, what we have to do, we have to create a credential. Okay, so in, let me come to my PowerPoint. So in the credential, simply we need to provide app ID, authentication URL, and secret. Okay, so what we did, we just created a one application and provided access to this to that application in a storage account. Okay, now using that application, we are going to access the file of Azure Data Lake Gen 2 account. So application has the access. Okay, now using that application detail, we will access the file of Azure Data Lake Gen 2 account. So syntax is very simple. Okay, now, okay, create credential, everything is fine. Okay, both are same. We just need to get app ID, authentication URL, and secret. Okay, so for that, come to the storage account. Sorry, come to the application. In the application, first overview. In the overview, we have a app ID. Okay, so here we need to provide first app ID. Now authentication URL. So this is application ID URL. Okay, I think we need to add application ID URL add. Okay, now this is, we need to add this application ID URL. Click on this. Okay, now we added application ID URL. So let's copy this and paste this URL. Okay, now next is secret. Okay, so for secret certificate and secrets. Okay, so here we have a secret ID. Copy this. Okay, and provide here. Okay, so this is very simple and straightforward. Okay, now we just need to run this. We need to provide this storage account detail. Incorrect syntax near identity. Now it should execute. Okay, the credential with this name already exists. Okay, so no problem. Okay, let's drop this. Drop credential name. Now again, let's create the credential. So we can say it's working now. So this is how we can create server level credential when we are using service principal authorization type. Thank you.